What's up, guys? So the Camaro is going just like it is, 3,500, just like I said. Let's get her done, baby. We have a new car we just bought, $1,000, clean title, 2008 Chevy Cobalt. The brakes are pretty bad on it. May need some fluid. Maybe some brake pads, I'm not sure, but the fluid was like empty, so the brakes were going all the way to the floor. But it's a clean title, runs and drives pretty good, 180,000 miles, but it's $1,000 flat, no fees, no nothing, so you can't argue with that. 2008 Cobalt. Looks really decent under the motor. Got that fresh oil change. So we are in the Chevy Cobalt, just knocking off some of the hard dirt, getting it ready for a potential sale today. Check engine lights on. We'll get that figured out. I believe it's something like just like with the tire pressure sensor. I don't know, but yeah, it's fairly decent. The seats could be better. But I mean, for the price I got it for, it's pretty fair. It's pretty cool. So, we've got the Cobalt all cleaned up. Need one wheel, but I won't worry about that. We got it all looking shiny. You can see the reflection now. Nice reflection. It's pretty decent compared to what it was like and how dirty it was. I mean, it's fair. It's definitely fair. So here it is, guys, a 2008 Chevy Cobalt. I picked it up for $1,000. It's pretty decent. It just needs brakes, but other than that, it drives pretty smooth. I got the oil change done on it yesterday, and it's looking really clean. Well, besides the old dirty seats, but the outside looks really great. Really great. Guys, so we have just sold the Cobalt that we got just yesterday. We got some cash here, guys. It's got rid of the Copart, $1,500, less than 24 hours. That's what I like to see. If I had the title the same day I got the car, I would definitely be able to move the car, even if not same day, the same week. And that's it, guys. That's what you call a quick flip. Buy something and you sell same day, less than